What is going on, guys? This is Mando with M Traders. We're going to be talking about WEBULL and some of the new functions the WEBULL platform has. I mean, now you are able to download the WEBULL platform onto your desktop or your Apple computer. Now, let's get to it. This is the main screen of WEBULL. Of course, you're gonna have your watch list. If you want to add a symbol, very simple. Just type whatever you want to add, enter, and boom, it's added. Now, anything that you have in your watch list, you're also going to have alerts, and you're also going to have the news based on whatever you have in your watch list. Very simple. Now, you also have press releases right on the side. Let's say I like Google, I double click it, it takes me to the main screen. I can get quotes, right? Capital flows, key statistics, news. What type of news is going on for 6 hours, 8 hours, you get a little bit of the time frame. Press releases, in this example, what have they filed in, usually have SEC documentation, financials of the company, analysis, so by analytical people, or analytical people. There you go. That's a good word, right? Analysts. There you go. That's the word that I was looking for. All the analysts will put their opinions, and then they'll have the recommendation according to what they think. And you have it in simple numbers: 1 to 5. 1 to 2, buy. Anything after that, you might want to be careful. Or if you're a short seller, you want it here on a 5, right? Which I think is actually pretty cool. You got profile, you get office and directors. You get all that information from just one ticker. I think that was actually pretty cool. Now, you get the market. So Dow Jones, S&P, NASDAQ, net inflow, right? NYC, and this is the NASDAQ. Advancers, decliners, what's going on. You got the most active, top gainers, top losers, 5-minute ranking. I'll take credit on that one. I actually told them to please have this added to the main screen on the overview or the global overview, just because I found it very useful in on the phone app. It's just gonna give you whatever it has a percent change in the 5-minute ranking. It'll give you the percent change, right? So anything that's either going down or going up on the percent change, on the 5-minute ranking. Extended hours, so what's going on extended hours. So if you are a pre-market, this should pop up here. I actually pay for a service. It's quite expensive if you are just starting off, just to have also this information just come out automatically without me having to run any scans in my TOS on my Thinkorswim. So this is actually pretty cool. Hot ETF, the market, the VIX, industries, hot industries, marines, water utilities. So this is the hot industries for the day, or for in this case was for Thursday. IPOs that are upcoming, right? Again, today's Saturday, so you might not have a lot of information. Who filed for IPOs, who got listed, earnings today, or who's upcoming, right? Which earnings are upcoming currently, dividends as well. Now you got Forex, commodities, funds. However, commodities, they still gotta tweak it a little bit, because this is the symbols for, I believe, the first contract, right? C1 gives it away, contract 1. That gives it away. However, I think for natural gas, we're in NGC4, if I'm not mistaken. Well, you have this information right here. You got a screener or a scanner. So my screeners, these ones are already preloaded into your platform. You have the scanners that you want. You can do anything right here. And it's also giving you already some technical indicators, like the MACD Golden Cross, RSI oversold, KDG oversold, things like that, bullish engulfing, whatever you may need. It might not have every single technical indicator there, but it has the important ones, especially when you're looking for a free broker that you are able to actually run some type of scans, right? I use Thinkorswim for detail specific scans. I'm looking for very, very, very specific things. A little bit, I can go a little bit deeper than what you have available here. However, if you are a simple trader, you're just beginning, this is actually good, good indicators or good scanners. Important screen, you can do trading now from WEBULL platform. Now you do not have to do it from your phone. You can actually do it from the actual platform. Let's say that you do like to have multi-trades. You know, I want to be trading 4 trades all day, but I like them horizontal, right? So here's my horizontal trade. You know what? I changed my mind. I want vertical. Now you have them vertical, right? Very simple. How do you buy and sell? Simple. Here you put one. For example, I'm giving an example: limit, buy, stop, limit, stop, sell, buy, whatever the price it is. They go to cancel, and then here you have extended hours on this area. However, it's Saturday, so it's not going to show extended hours. However, the extended hours are amazing, by the way. If you do not know what WEBULL's extended hours, it pretty much beats every broker out there. I can start trading at 3 a.m. Central Time and stop trading at 7 p.m. Central Time. I mean, even pay brokers like TD Ameritrade, you can start trading at 6 a.m. Central Time and stop trading, I believe 6 p.m., 5 p.m., somewhere around there. I forgot. I just know the opening is 6 a.m. Eastern Standard Time is when you can start trading with TD Ameritrade. They're a very big company, and you pay for each trade. Here, it's free, and you can trade at 3 a.m. Central Time. Now, who wakes up at that time? Only people that are doing day trading for a living, which would not be bad if I'm able to do this for a living every single day. However, I do have a management position that I gotta attend every day. Now, I don't think you guys got any questions on this area. Very simple. If you make a trade, I usually would only have one screen. So when I'm making a trade, I want to see it. Like, you are able to see time and sales. However, I gotta log in. I'm not logging in because it has all my account information. You can make it bigger, taller, move it around, put it in the bottom, wherever you want. You can actually do it. You want simple, 2 trades, 4 trades. I mean, it's actually pretty simple to use. A lot of people say it's difficult to buy and sell because you have too many buttons. Yes, he does have too many buttons compared to Robinhood. However, I like to be a little more specific when you buy it because you don't want to do the wrong thing. However, I do use Robinhood for my options. They are going to have options. I was talking to them, and they are going to have options by the end, before the end of the year. You're going to be able to trade options. You can actually do quotes. You can do option quotes to kind of gauge the company's, so you can gauge the company's direction, right? So what is most people saying? I use options a lot to gauge where the company is going to go. So if it has like 0.02 PC ratio, I'm most likely going to buy some calls. But if it has like a 2.5 PC ratio, then I will buy more puts. Kind of gives you also the volume. You know, you don't want to have something that has only like 2 puts and 2 and 1 PC or 1 call, right? Because that's not a good gauging if you base your opinion based on 3 people, right? You want to see a lot of volume on these stocks. You want to see a lot of people either buying puts or buying calls. You know, like some companies will have 140,000 calls versus 2,000 puts. Guess what I'm going to buy? Calls, right? Is that always true? Not really. There's some contrarians that will go the opposite. There was one company, I believe it was ISGR. Everybody was saying call, and he dumped hard. I feel sorry for whoever had that calls on those people, on that stock. However, this is your account. You have your account information here. You want to send a feedback, you gotta log in first. Let's say you have a picture, you attach the picture, and you're done. Send whatever feedback you want. This is pretty much it. Very simple to use. You can download into your computer. Commissions are free. If you do like it and you do not have Webull, I do have the link below on my on the description. Make sure you click on that one. I'll get a stock, you get a stock. Also, if you are looking to find more information on how to trade, or you're just a beginner and you're just looking to kind of, you know, pick the brains of other people, I do have a free Discord chat where you can just come in. The link is also right down below. Also click on the link and you're gonna be able to check us out. I do trade mainly natural gas ETFs, which is UGAS and DGAS. Those are the main ones I have. I do have I can consider myself someone with somewhat of a good knowledge on natural gas. So if you want to pick our brains, go ahead, but you gotta make sure you sign into our Discord chat first. Now, make sure you subscribe. I'm going to be making a lot more videos on natural gas and the ETFs and any other options that we may have. We have some very, very intelligent people with us, so make sure you pick their brains too. So I do not have anything else. So if you guys like the video, again, like it, subscribe, and see you in my Discord chat.